Hi everyone, welcome back to Madam Bonsai. Oak tree, what do you do when during winter? They don't seem to fall their leaf down by itself. So for bonsai, if you wanted to have a better clean look, winter is a good time to do this. Just go through and get all the leaf removed. It will fall down by itself in time, but by the time it fall down, the new shoot already come out. So I do this before spring come. I don't cut it off too early. So now I'm doing this, and also I will check the trees and see if we need to repot or rewiring. If you ask me about oak tree, how to look after it, it's almost the same with Japanese maple. So all the deciduous, you look after them similar. Oak tree grows a lot more slower. When you cut the leaf, they will shoot out a lot faster. So if you want your tree to wake up early, you cut this soon as they get a bit yellowish. Then your tree will shoot up in about last second week of winter. But if you do it now, then it shoot out a lot later, which I like, because when summer come, if you let them shoot out or wake up too early, when spring come and then winter, summer, they burn their leaf a little bit. Depend on the tree. This is more mature now, so I kind of take off the leaf a lot later. This is so much fun to do sometime. I don't know, I think I love suckers and cutting off things. Maybe the tree needs a bit rewiring too. We'll see. And I'll check and see if we need to repot. We do that together too. Been a long, long time. I haven't get to see anyone. I still work with tree every day. Blue cedars is one of those that you can enjoy the cold, the heat. They don't affecting too much, but the colds make the blue cedar a lot better. You see how it got like the blue but silvery inside of it. If you need to repot your blue cedar, this is a good time too, like cold weather. Mid-winter, I do a lot of repotting for all my trees. Okay. Same thing with all the repot. Try to clean all the soil out because they don't have any more nutrient unless you feed fertilizer along. Take all these roots out and cut them off. Did I say that the citrus should repot every 2-3 years? To all. Maple, oak, elm. Give the chance for the tree to grow again better. You can use a garden hose to wash the tree if you want a little bit clean and faster. I didn't plan to repot this one today, so I did water it a few days ago, so it's a bit wet. Normally I don't water the tree for 3-4 days before I repot it. Cleaner to work with, easier.
Recording.
This tree is so small, so easy to work with. A very old tree, but it's small, so very easy to work with. And the root does not really bounce that much yet. But I want to clean more as well. I get it out already. Now when you get any tree you repot, make sure you go through and cut all the root that is not so healthy and also growing on all wrong spot to make it flare out. So whatever had already run around in the pot, just get it off. I mentioned before, many video, don't get scared when you cut off root. Make more room to grow new one. Whatever up here you don't like it, you can just cut it off to make sure that they go out beautiful. I don't like all these big roots, so I'll take it off. So maybe give me another, oops. I make sure I will mark the date on this one so I don't have to repot this for another 3 years. But you can tell when you look at the tree, you need to repot or not. If they don't look healthy, check the soil, take it out. So with the same with any repot, I already have the net cover wire. Mark your soil in the middle like that because it's a flat pot, so you can afford to go pretty much a lot of them. The soil, if you need to know, they are pumice, 70%, 10% of pine bark, and the rest are akadama. So that's what we're doing for this citrus. Same thing, just pick your tree. I did mark the label there, so the front of the trees is about there. So you just shake your tree down. Any root that is hanging out like what you see here, don't try to squash it in, just cut it around it. I moved the trees a little bit that way before, as in I wanted to change the front of the tree. It's a round pot, so center your tree. You can off center if you feel like it, but pick the center of the tree straight to the pot, and the rest of them, don't worry about it. If you want the tree more side grow, as in if you see the branch like that, you lean your trees a little bit. Lean here, it just put the soil and shake it down until your tree freely is standing. Then you tie your trees in. I tie tree the same, I put under the root so it doesn't look messy. Yesterday was Sunday, was a long time that I spent all morning, all day with client until very late repotting trees, and everything else is for the clients. I was so happy. If I look at this tree now, I'd like to get that a bit shorter, but it's kind of okay too for natural look. It's already had some dead wood and everything, so it's pretty cool. There. So we take the trees out, give it a bit of water. In winter like this, you can leave your tree anywhere. Doesn't have to be protected or anything. So I'm gonna take it out, give it a bit of water. Where can I put the tree? Poor garden. Poor trees. Just give it a good water slowly with the shower head. If it did too strong, turn it down a little bit. Now when you repot any tree that you cut the roots off, don't fertilize the tree for the next 9 weeks. Talking about fertilize, I normally fertilize all my tree mid-winter, which is now, with dynamic lifter or any fertilizer that is liquid. This is a great time for me to fertilize all my trees so they get healthy, they get ready for spring. Normally spring I don't feed my tree at all unless it's a fruit tree or a flower tree that I want a bit extra flower, a bit of extra fruit. I will do spring feed, but I only do winter feed, and a little bit before winter hit, I do another time, so twice a year. Thank you everyone for watching. This is New Zealand oak, what to do when you repot and winter care for the tree. Thank you for watching, and looking forward to see you guys in the next video with something with a bit more information on it. And goodbye for now.